Oke guys, sekarang sudah sampai di Frankfurt. Bertemu dengan mama papa. Wait, foto. Jadi guys, pada saat datang di Frankfurt, ada kado ucapan selamat datang. Jadi kita bertemu lagi guys. Udah lama sekali nggak ketemu. Udah sekian lama, udah bukan puluhan tahun sih. Ya satu tahun lebih nggak ketemu. Akhirnya ketemu kembali di Frankfurt. Jadi welcome to Frankfurt. Jadi ini adalah vlog di mana pertama saya datang di Frankfurt. This is my mother, and this is my father, and this my brother Satria. Welcome to Frankfurt, and then mungkin akan ada video-video menarik yang akan saya buat di Frankfurt. Tunggu dan saksikan.
I'm on my own, broken alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. We're searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air, like a blazing flare, like shadows in the atmosphere, charting the stratosphere. I prayed for you and kept you near, in hopes you'd chase away my fears. I'm on my own, you made it so, and now I'm chasing nightmares through. I used to run with you through the great big leaves, laugh at you when you laugh at me. Hope for us because I believe the home was just you and me. I thought you were the one for me. I give you everything, held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. No point in blaming you, you did not know. Oh, I thought you would